Okay, hello everybody. It's your brother, your friend Frank. I hope you're doing great. I hope everybody's doing fine. Um, for those who are watching my video for the first time, I hope you're doing great. For those who are back to watch some videos of mine, uh, you're you're most welcome. And I really do appreciate your returning back to my channel to watch my videos, and I'm happy that somehow been able to help somebody somewhere, who is in need of this knowledge. So I'm the man behind this whole idea of sharing forest strategy, and usually I don't do videos with my face on it. I really like to share the full screen and explain what's going on the chart or something like that. But nonetheless, I just decided to make a video with my face on it today. I That's just how I felt. So hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm about to show you something very fundamental in the market. Like I said, I'm going explicitly, to really unveil every strategy that I have in my arsenal. A trader is of a whole lot of knowledge. Yeah, before you become a good trader, you need to amass a whole lot of knowledge put together, and then you start to see the light in your trading when let's say your knowledge is has attained the level that it's supposed to be. And don't forget, why you see me using different strategies is because fundamentally, I know not all traders are the same. That's why you see some people trade long term, some people like trading short term, like scalping. Some people have different methods of trading. It works for them. Yeah, that's just because of their diversity of our personality. Okay, so I try to put everything online for those who, because I've gone through most of those trading methods. Yeah, and those that I found profitable, that's what I'm trying to give out. So is that somebody that resonate with any of those who find comfort in that area and make a trading living using that strategy, right? So because not everybody do function the same. Everybody, there are some people they want to do some swift trades and realize something, even if it's just no matter how much, but they just want to realize something, let's say for a day, and they are and derive so much satisfaction from that. Some people want to go slow and want to hold trade for quite a long time and realize something. So just depend on who you are and how you feel and your feelings towards trading, right? So there are a lot of strategies there out there, and a lot of people do different things in order to make money from the market. So, but what I'm going to show you right now is one of the fundamentals as far as trading is concerned. We all know that the forex market doesn't just go up straight up. That's if it is in an uptrend, it doesn't just goes up straight up. It goes up, comes down a little. Like what I'm that's why I am having this space here, because I really want to just draw it out so that those who cannot see it will. So it like kind of goes up, come down, goes up, come down, goes up, come down, and goes up. That's how the forex market moves up, right? It moves up this way. So it's a very common thing. We see it every day in the market, and um, this is how can I say, the fundamentals of the market. Yeah. So, but what I'm about to show you right now is very simple but very profound. This market moving up and down, up and down, up and down. Within this up and down movement here, there are other smaller up and down movement in this up and down movement. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let me take this off. Let me take this off like, maybe not. Let me take this off. So like when the market goes up, sorry, I want to do something a little bit bigger. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. On the white color. Yeah, so when the market goes up and down, sorry, I really want to get my whiteboard back. Or there, okay, just go back. Okay. So when the market goes up, down, and up, down, you see there's a higher high, always a higher high here, and a higher low, right? And the higher low. This starts to this tell you that the presence of the higher highs and the higher lows tells you, okay, the market is in an uptrend right now, right? The market is in an uptrend right now, and you can't determine that the market is in an uptrend. Let me say it makes just a single move like this, up, down, like this. You can't really tell, right? If maybe the market is going to like continue going up later on, or maybe just go down, right? So we wait again for the second one, up, down. So we see that there is 1, 2, 3. So we have here 1, 2, 3. You can draw a line here. Yeah, see here, 1. Sorry, my pencil is just 2 and 3, right? So from here, we know that at the third one, we are already seeing a kind of a structure, right? We are already seeing a structure here. So we are looking forward to see this market going up again, right? Now, what I'm going to show you will completely change the way you look at this particular technique, the head and shoulder. You must have seen it in the market if you have been trading. This is where this is the head and this is the two shoulders. These are the two shoulders here, right? The two shoulders. So at this point, 1, 2, 3, you will find at the point of reversal, you might find a double top. You might find a double top, that is the market coming here, hit 1, bounce here, come again 2, and then start going up. Or maybe you might find a head and shoulder here, like a head, right? This is a head. This market might give you a shoulder here, and it might have given you another shoulder here, right? Another shoulder here. So you have a head and then 2 shoulders, right? So this, for me, I prefer using the head and shoulder. The head and shoulder is a very good reversal pattern. Every trader knows that, but you can't just use the head and shoulder everywhere in the market. Yeah, it won't give you what it won't react the same, right? So there are some specific areas in the market where if you use the head and shoulder, you really see the reward of head and shoulder, right? And if you use a head and shoulder in an upward trending market, you can know the results. The head and shoulder is going to go perfect, especially when is the inverse head and shoulder, right? In an upward trend like here, it's an inverse head and shoulder where the head is down and you have the 2 shoulders here and you have your breakout here, boom, and you jump in here. You will ride this market up without any stress, right? And the market won't like kind of install and begin to like, take take a lot of time, but it will go up straight and give you the money. So there are some specific areas in the market where you can use head and shoulder and it will work perfectly. And one of them is after you have defined this market direction, right? After you have defined this market direction with the higher highs and higher highs, higher lows, if you have defined this at least with 1, 2, 3 touches, right? With 1, 2, 3 touches, then you can now go. If you can't see the head and shoulder on that same time frame, you can then go to the lower time frame to spot out the head and shoulder. Okay, you can then go to the lower time frame to spot out the head and shoulder. I'm going to give you some live example of what I'm talking about here. I'm sure you best understand it in the chat. So I'm going to come out from here. I'll stop sharing this. I'll stop the share. Okay. So I'm going to go to the chat right now and we will see precisely what I'm talking about. Okay, this is my chart. If you see here, I am using, if you have been in my channel and if you're watching my videos, you will see a lot of times I'm using this snatcher, MBFX snatcher. It's a very good indicator, and if you are really interested in the indicator, just let me know in my comment section, and I will make sure you have it. So this is the MBFX snatcher. The MBFX snatcher just shows you the main point of reversals in the market, right? I love it because it shows you those points of reversals without you, thinking so much about like what's going on in the market, stuff like that. So I've just kept it simple, and we want to see if we can find out, if we can spot out the higher highs and higher lows, right? That's the first thing we do. We spot out the higher highs and higher lows in the market. Then now the second thing we do is we look for a head and shoulder, which is the reversal pattern that confirms that the market is no more going, let's say it's no more going it's no more continuing on the opposite direction, but it's going in the direction of the flow of the market, right? So now let's look at it. Here you can see it for yourself. The market goes up, down, goes up, down. This second one, this second high is higher than this one. This second high is higher than this one. So it's already telling you that the market is making a higher high and a higher low, right? And this is a higher low, right? Which is a higher low. So you can already see here, if you draw here, you can already see that the market is going up, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay. So if you can see this 1, 2, 3, you see the market is already going up. Now the next thing you do is you now you can zoom in your chart to see if you can find a head and shoulder. Did it form a head and shoulder? Yes, you can see there's a small head and shoulder here, right? You can see there's a small head and shoulder there. But what I do is, since I have the MBFX snatcher, like I told you, it's a very good tool to use. I just put my MBFX snatcher, the other part of the snatcher, right? Just put the other part of the snatcher. Boom. And there you go, right? You see, this is a head, and it makes shoulders here, 1, 2. So you can draw here to see the shoulders clear. These are the two shoulders, like here and here, right? Like here and here. Inverse head and shoulder pattern. And there you go. So you can see that, right? Simple. So from here, if you jump in here after the breakout, you can jump in after the breakout, or you can find a good spot here. Let's say after the first 2 green candles, can jump in right up. That's 140 pips. You can still hold the market till when you see the next yellow, right? The next yellow, okay. Maybe up here if you feel like holding the market that long and trail it with a trailing stop. So we are going to go through other currency pairs, and we'll see better what I'm trying to, and you'll see better what I'm trying to explain. So I'm going to remove this. Sorry. So I'll keep this as a template. Okay, I'll save it as a template, maybe my template one. Okay, template one. Okay, let's just go, let's say here. Okay, I'm in this trade already. You see here, here I'm in this trade. I'm on 32 pips already. You see, the market came up here, right? Came up here. Here, it was a breakout of a head and shoulder, a breakout, a retest, and the market is going down. Okay, so but that's really not what I want to show you guys today. So I'm not really interested in that. So this is, for example, what I want to show you guys. I'm already into the money also here. Okay, so let's just say for this. Okay, like here, right? Like here. This is a head and shoulder, right? This is a head and shoulder. Even though this will be formed, I want to clearly see what sorry guys, there was kind of an issue with my connection, but I'm sharing my screen again. Yeah, so if you can see here, there was this movement here, higher high, right? The market went up, down, up, down, and I saw it at this point, right? At this point, I saw it at this point, and you can see the head and shoulder that formed here. There's a small head and shoulder that formed here. This indicator just made you beautiful head and shoulder here, and I jumped in here, right? It's quite a cool strategy. You just find the the, 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 the trending market, right? Which you easily spot out following the the higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? If you spot that out, you draw your line, then look for the head and shoulder. It's so cool. A lot of traders use this stuff to make a lot of money in the market, right? A lot of money in the market. I just pray that somebody grab this knowledge and make good use of it, right? Uh, I'm doing all this on my live account, right? You can see it's my live account, right? It's my live account. So I'm just taking some time. So, okay, so there we go. I will show you more of what I've been doing with that strategy. There you go. So you see this, the market went up, down, up, down. What you're seeing is so clear, is so obvious, right? It started from here, up, down, up, down. The market is simply rallying up, okay? Here you just come and you just draw your line here. It may not fit perfectly, you know, the market is just so random. So what we try to do is we make sense out of the market, even though it's kind of random, but we try to make sense out of it all. So the market is trending up. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And we know that the market is going to go up again. It may not go beyond this level because it's already like towards the top of the chart, or it may still go beyond this level, but somehow it will go right up to the point of where we are going to have the next yellow indicator. So we look here for a head and shoulder pattern, right? You can see it's already forming, right? This is a head here, and this is a shoulder here, first shoulder. So we don't know if this second shoulder is complete. So that's why I use the detail snatcher, right, to look deeply into it, right? So this detail snatcher, I'm sorry guys, this detail snatcher will tell us, okay, I'm going to zoom in now. This is the first shoulder, which is purple, purple, purple. The next purple is going to be here, right? You can see it for yourself. It's so clean, it's so obvious. So I'm just waiting for the next purple to show up here, and there, here, the head and shoulder will be complete, and I will jump into this trade right here. I know where it's going to drop right here. And maybe for further confirmation, I can still wait for it to like break the neckline if I want to, or I can say, okay, after the next two green candles, okay, after the next two green candles, that's when the market is already showing me that okay, it's going up back already. So after the next two green candles, I can jump or I can wait to take it here from the neckline and ride it up. Right, that's 202 pips. Right, 202 pips. That's if I'm riding from the neckline. But if I'm riding here, maybe after the first two green candles, that'll be 260 two. If I write it right, because I'm targeting this level, right? Right up this level, that would be 300 pips. 300 pips. It's a lot of pips in the market, and you can imagine what you can do with 300 pips. It just depends on your lot size, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. So it's a cool strategy. It's a very cool strategy. Here we have it again: higher high, higher low, higher high. If you can't see it, let me show you clearly, vividly. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we know the market is going up again, no doubt about that. So you just draw your line, you see it connecting, right? Everything connecting, and we wait for a head and shoulder for a confirmation again. For a confirmation of a reversal, which shows that okay, the market is no more going down. So wait for a head and shoulder here, and just zoom in. Look at it. It's forming a small, clean head and shoulder. We'll add our detail snatcher. Here we have brown, yellow, I'm sorry, purple, and purple here. So we're waiting for the next purple to show up here. When it does, and we have the first two green candles. So there we go, head and shoulder. If it bounces up here with the purple, and the first two green candles, maybe somewhere here, we just pick it up and we write it right up. That's 340 pips. So that's it, brothers. It's a great trading strategy, and it's so nice. It's so nice to trade with confidence. We know when you start trading at a level where you can really tell what the market is going to do. I think that's the beginning of your success in the market, right? Because trading, what everyone do in trading is to try to eliminate the doubt, such that if you are taking a buy or a sell, you are taking it with a degree of certainty that you actually feels like this is the right trade that I am taking, right? And you are not going to lose your money, remember? And also, no matter how good your trading strategy is, always respect your account size, right? For me, I recommend all those who are listening to me, or those who try to follow my strategies, I recommend you guys to trade with the 1,000 pip range. That's if you have $100, the lot size should be 0.01. Yes, it might be small, but trust me, that's what will keep you going in the market, and you keep making money in the market for so many years to come, right? And so from there, you can just do your math. If you are with $200, your lot size is 0.02. If you're with 300, your lot size is 0.03. If you're with $1,000, your lot size is 0.1, right? 0.10, right? 0.10. So yeah, it might look small, but I tell you, if you keep compounding your money, that's how you keep growing, and your account really be will really grow significantly over time. So no rush, no rush. Just keep to the plan, and I'm sure we are all going to be successful in the market. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with this stuff. I hope you give it a try. And if you have any comments, you can write in my comment section. And if you like what I'm all about, if you like my strategies and what I'm showing out there, click the like button, give me a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe to my channel, right? Okay, so and if you have any difficulty, maybe acquiring all the indicators, the snatchers and whatsoever I'm using, get in touch with me, all right? And we're going to sort that out together. So till then, guys, wish you guys all the best. Take good care of yourself. Hope to catch you again in the next video. I'm out. Peace.